Welcome back to Dinar Current. Are you currently holding Iraqi dinar and hoping for a major financial breakthrough? If so, stop what you're doing and watch this entire video. As of May 2025, we have breaking information that could completely reshape how you approach your dinar exchange, especially if you're dealing with Chase Bank. This isn't recycled speculation or internet hearsay. What we're discussing is based on newly revealed and verifiable updates. Chase Bank has officially rolled out new policies that directly affect dinar holders across the US. What you're about to learn could save you time, money, and prevent a major headache. For years, IQD holders have operated in uncertainty, receiving little to no formal guidance from major banking institutions. Many of us have simply waited, hoping that one day a bank would finally acknowledge the Iraqi dinar in an official way. That day has arrived, and Chase is leading the charge. This isn't rumor. It's a confirmed policy shift. Chase Bank has quietly introduced new operational rules around IQD exchanges, and these policies are already being enforced. If you plan to exchange your dinar soon, you need to pay close attention. Let's begin with one of the most surprising developments, a strict daily exchange cap. Chase is now limiting the amount of dinar that can be exchanged per business day to 10 million Iraqi dinars. Whether you're transacting online or visiting a branch in person, this ceiling applies to everyone, except for VIP account holders. That means if you were planning to exchange your full holdings in a single visit, you'll need to rethink your strategy. Multiple visits across several days or weeks will now be necessary. Additionally, not every Chase branch will process IQD exchanges. Most branches capable of handling these transactions are located in larger cities or designated financial centers. If you're based in a smaller town or rural location, you might need to travel a significant distance. Always call ahead and speak to a branch manager to confirm whether your location is authorized for IQD transactions, don't assume. Another significant change involves identification requirements. To exchange any amount of dinar, a valid government-issued photo ID, such as a passport or driver's license, is required. But if you're exchanging more than 5 million dinar in a single visit, you must also provide a second form of identification. This can be a utility bill, lease agreement, or recent bank statement that confirms your current address. If either ID is expired or mismatched, your transaction will be denied. Perhaps the most stringent requirement is this: proof of purchase is now mandatory. Chase will not complete an exchange unless you can show documentation proving where, when, and from whom you acquired your dinar. Acceptable documents include invoices, receipts, or bills of sale from registered dealers. This rule aims to crack down on counterfeit notes and unregulated trades. If you can't locate your purchase records, start searching or reach out to your original dealer now. In addition, appointments are now required for all larger IQD transactions. Walk-ins will no longer be accepted for significant exchanges. You'll need to schedule a date and get confirmation from the branch. Depending on your location, appointments could be booked out days, or even weeks, in advance. The earlier you secure a slot, the better. There's also increasing discussion within the dinar community about so-called contract rates, preferential exchange rates that might be offered to high-net-worth clients or those with long-standing banking relationships. These rates wouldn't be made public and would likely only be available through private appointments. If true, this could be a game-changer for serious investors. Now may be the time to speak with a private banker or financial advisor to see if you qualify. Behind the scenes, Chase appears to be working in coordination with federal regulators to ensure full compliance with U.S. financial laws and anti-money laundering standards. High-volume exchanges may be subject to increased scrutiny, and all transactions are likely to be documented and monitored. If your dinar was legally purchased and your documents are in order, you should be fine, but if anything looks suspicious or incomplete, expect delays or denials. For those who've held onto their dinar for years, maybe even a decade, this is a pivotal moment. Chase Bank's formal stance signals a significant shift. While there's still no official confirmation of a revaluation or a major global currency event, these new policies suggest that the financial sector is beginning to take the IQD more seriously. Let's recap the key points. A 10 million Iraqi dinars daily exchange limit is now in place at Chase. Only select branches can handle dinar transactions. 2 forms of ID are required for exchanges over 5 million. Proof of purchase is non-negotiable. Appointments are mandatory for all large transactions. These aren't optional suggestions, they're firm requirements. If you miss a step, you'll be turned away. That's why we're urging all dinar holders to get organized now. Review your records, validate your ID, and contact your nearest authorized Chase branch. The days of casually walking in and cashing out your dinar are over. The exchange process is now structured and regulated. These controls are meant to protect the financial system, minimize fraud, and prepare for what could be a larger shift in currency values. We're also keeping a close watch on other major banks. Chase might be the first, but if institutions like Wells Fargo, Citibank, or Bank of America follow with similar policies, it would confirm that a broader system-wide change is underway. If that happens, demand for appointments could surge overnight. So, stay ahead of the curve. Act early. Be informed. Most importantly, be ready when the exchange window fully opens. To all of you who've held onto your IQD with hope and patience, Chase Bank's new policies might be the first real signal that your belief wasn't misplaced. But remember, success depends on your preparation. The process is strict, the rules are clear, and the opportunity is real for those who are compliant and proactive. Don't leave anything to chance. Review your documentation. Confirm your branch's status. Book your appointment. Monitor updates from Dinar Current and other reputable sources. And finally, if you found this information valuable, like the video, share it with other IQD holders, and subscribe for the latest updates. This may just be the beginning of something big, and you'll want to be ready when it happens. Thank you for watching Dinar Current, your trusted source for real-world currency updates.